Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to find Facebook page ID in Meta Business Suite. So if you are in Facebook business page and you are searching your page ID, as you can see, if I go to my page about section, here we can see my ID isn't showing up here. So to see your Facebook page ID, you have to go to Meta Business Suite and its link is business.facebook.com. Once you are in Meta Business Suite, make sure to select here your business account to work with. And now click on settings and here select business assets. And now here you will get pages. Click on that. And now click on your Facebook page. And here you will get your Facebook page ID. And now you can easily copy your Facebook page ID from here. So this is how we can find out our page ID using Meta Business Suite. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.